Hello, in front of me I've got Porsche Panamera. In this video I'll show you what is the Euro NCAP rating of this car. The 2016 model does not have widely referenced Euro NCAP rating for this generation. However, Porsche vehicles generally perform well in safety testing. The structure and engineering are high quality. Safety performance is considered strong overall. The car has very stable structure and is well built. It is equipped with multiple safety systems like lane assistant, steering assist, blind spot monitoring and active cruise control. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.